Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and I'm here with my brother Tomo, and we're about to unbox some of these accessories right here. As you see, we have a lot of accessories going on. All these accessories are for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, right? And we had this phone for about 3 weeks now, and we haven't opened the accessories yet, so we want to unbox those first, and then we'll talk about some of the features. So let's start off with the Galaxy Buds FE. Guys, these accessories, by the way, we got all those for free thanks to Samsung, because when we traded in the phone, the S23 Ultra, they gave us $750 credit, and these were all extras because we pre-ordered the phone. So let's check out what they have. So it looks like they just have find your perfect fit. So it looks like they have a small, medium size, and large. Wow, it's white inside and like a dark gray. And let's take a look at this. I just want to try for the people, see how it is. Let's look at the camera. You see, a lot better than the AirPods, because as you see, they're flush, not like the AirPods. And it looks like they also have some extra here. Look, the box. Let's see what they have. So it looks like they have some of these USB-C to USB-C cable, as you see, as like your phone. And you also have some of the tips here. So let's open this one. There we go. And as you see, you have sizes, different sizes for different ears. So as you see here, you have small, medium, large, but you also have, it looks like if you want to get a tighter seal, you have something here as well. Let's take this out. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Look, it's to put your, you see here, there is a ring around here. You see this part? If you don't want this thing right here, you could actually remove it and have a just flat one, because this one gives you like extra support in the back of your ear. But so that is really cool that they added this, and again, having these for free is amazing, right? So let's go to, I guess, the next product. I'll move this out of the way for now. It's okay. And we could start with the case. Absolutely. This is the S-View wallet case. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Looks like pretty much just a case and a manual how to install it. And you can actually put a card. If you see what's cool about this S wallet, look at the material inside. There's a little fabric to protect your phone, and you have a little wallet, and then a protection cover from inside. So this one, we did actually open it before, so we just want to show you. That's why there's a little fingerprints, and it's fine, but we wanted to give you the unbox experience. So we'll put the phone inside and see how it is as the phone. Look, you'll be able to get some notifications there, and you also have, as you see, the time, the date, and the battery. So it's really cool to have a little very important information. And you could see that the case is a flush to the cameras, so there's no bump there. That is also great. So let's see what else we have. So we have also the anti-reflecting screen protector. All right, so let's see. This one we have not opened before, so I'm gonna open it for the first time. Ooh, it's very sharp. Be careful with that. Don't touch yourself. Let me try. Yeah. And here we go. See what's inside. Oh, interesting. Ooh. So yeah, it looks like this is for a microfiber. This is a squeegee, so that way you can take all the bubbles out. You also have these are dust removal, so there's like a little sticker to just remove all the dust. And you have, all right, open it this way. This one, it looks like to align the phone so that way you can get a perfect match for the screen when you actually put the screen. Okay, and the last thing we have here, guys. Come, Elena, you could be in the video. Sure. And here we have the Galaxy Smart Tag. This is like the Apple AirPods. They have the similar thing, but this is the Samsung version of it, and it's cool because it actually has this ring which you could put in your keychain or part of that, which is pretty interesting. And then by removing that, you're actually the battery that's inside will be able to have that. Oh, it just turned on. And this is, I believe, is for to remove the battery.
Yeah,
to be able to from this side. Okay.
Probably.
There you go. So before we leave, guys, we want to talk a little bit about the phone since we had it for about 3 weeks. So let's talk about one. Oh, look, it already wants to add the smart tag. So I'm gonna put don't add right now, so we can talk about some of the features. The biggest thing about this phone is the AI features. So Tomo, if you could show the screen protector. So actually, this is the wall paper. And what you could do is you could have an AI generated wallpaper. So you just, like for example, use mineral, and you can see where it says generate AI. It's going to make a custom photo for you that nobody else has. It's gonna generate it, and look at that. These are photos that are from AI. You can select it, and all of a sudden, done. Boom. Now, these are generated photos from scratch. We already talked about the cameras, the AI features that you could use. The other thing is about the translation. We found out that not only that you could do phone calls with translation, but you could have an interpreter right here on here, and this is built in. And right now, see, I could talk and it could translate, right? But what I want to show you is the languages that they have so far. Again, this is built into the phone, so this is not like Google. So you have Polish, English, Spanish, Chinese, another English, UK, French, Germany, Japanese, and you can add more here. You say Hindi, Italian, Korean, Portuguese, Thai, Vietnamese, and they will add more with software updates. So that is really cool to have it built in to that. And what else? And battery life has been amazing. It's a big phone. You also have the S Pen. The S Pen, for those that don't know, obviously if you have the S23 Ultra or the S22 Ultra, you already have an S Pen. But the fact that if you don't have it, it's great. It's one of the features of the phone that you could do so many options for that, like to sketch, to use it as a to scroll. You see, let's scroll to other. There we go. And this charges through the phone, so you don't have to worry about it in terms of that. Again, some people like it, some people don't. You have it, why not? And if you have any questions, comments for us, put it down below, and we'd love to hear more about what you think of this phone. And we love it. I think this is the best phone right now on the market. The other thing that I'm looking forward to is the Pixel 9 coming out in October, and obviously in September we'll have the iPhone 16. So these are two big phones that we'll be looking to. But right now, I think this is the king, especially of Android, and yeah, this is it. So thank you for watching. Peace.